We've all felt it. That sudden prickling sensation on our skin, the tiny bumps rising, and the hairs standing on end. Whether it's a sudden chill, a moment of fear, or the soaring crescendo of a favorite song, goosebumps are a universal human experience. But what exactly are these peculiar skin reactions, and why do our bodies produce them? This seemingly simple reflex holds a fascinating story, one that stretches back through our evolutionary history. It's a tale of survival, emotion, and the intricate workings of our own biology. Join us as we delve into the science behind this everyday phenomenon. To understand why we get goosebumps, we first need to look at what's happening beneath the surface of our skin. Each hair on our body grows from a tiny structure called a hair follicle. Attached to every one of these follicles is a miniature muscle known as the erector pili. These smooth muscles are involuntary, meaning we cannot consciously control them. When they contract, they pull on the hair follicle, causing the hair shaft to stand upright. This action simultaneously creates a small indentation on the skin surface, which is the goosebump itself. The primary and most ancient purpose of goosebumps is thermoregulation, or maintaining body temperature. This reflex is a vestige from our distant mammalian ancestors who were much hairier than modern humans. When these animals felt cold, their erector pili muscles would contract. This caused their fur to stand on end, trapping a layer of insulating air close to the skin. This thicker layer of air acted as a natural barrier, helping to reduce heat loss and keep the animal warm. Think of a cat fluffing up its fur when it's cold. For humans, with our significantly reduced body hair, this insulating effect is largely ineffective. While the mechanism remains, its practical benefit for warmth is minimal. It's a biological echo of a time when our ancestors relied on this reflex for survival in harsh environments. Beyond cold, goosebumps also play a role in our body's response to perceived threats. This is deeply connected to the fight or flight response, a primal survival mechanism. When we encounter something frightening or startling, our sympathetic nervous system kicks into gear. This system releases adrenaline, a hormone that prepares the body for immediate action. Adrenaline triggers a cascade of physiological changes, including an increased heart rate, heightened senses, and the contraction of those tiny erector pili muscles. In our furry ancestors, this response served a dual purpose. Not only did it prepare them for confrontation or escape, but the raised fur also made them appear larger and more intimidating to potential predators or rivals. It was a visual deterrent, a way to bluff their way out of danger. Interestingly, goosebumps aren't solely triggered by physical cold or immediate danger. Many of us experience them in response to powerful emotional stimuli, such as listening to moving music, watching an inspiring scene in a film, or hearing a particularly poignant speech. These are often referred to as aesthetic chills. This phenomenon suggests a more complex interplay between our ancient reflexes and our sophisticated emotional processing. When we experience intense emotions like awe, wonder, or profound sadness, our brain releases neurotransmitters like dopamine. These chemicals are associated with pleasure and reward. The brain seems to hijack the ancient goosebump reflex, linking it to these powerful emotional states. It's as if our body is signaling an experience of profound significance, even if there's no physical threat or temperature drop. This connection highlights the intricate relationship between our physical body and our emotional landscape. The process of getting goosebumps is a testament to the complex communication within our nervous system. It begins with sensory input, whether it's a drop in temperature detected by skin receptors, a frightening sight processed by our eyes, or an emotional stimulus interpreted by our brain's limbic system. These signals are then relayed to the hypothalamus, a crucial part of the brain that acts as the body's control center for many involuntary functions. The hypothalamus, in turn, activates the sympathetic nervous system. This is the same system responsible for our fight or flight response. The sympathetic nervous system then sends signals down nerve fibers to the erector pili muscles, instructing them to contract. This rapid involuntary chain reaction demonstrates how deeply ingrained these ancient reflexes are within our biological architecture. It's a seamless, unconscious response to a variety of internal and external cues. Today, goosebumps are largely considered a vestigial reflex, meaning a biological structure or behavior that has lost its original function through evolution. While they no longer provide significant insulation or make us appear larger to predators, they remain a fascinating indicator of our physiological and emotional states. They serve as a reminder of our deep connection to our evolutionary past, a living fossil of our ancestors' survival mechanisms. They also underscore the powerful link between our physical body and our emotional experiences, showing how ancient biological pathways can be repurposed for new, complex human sensations. So, the next time you feel that familiar prickle on your skin, take a moment to appreciate the intricate biology at play. It's a small yet profound reminder of the incredible journey of life and the enduring echoes of our evolutionary heritage. From warding off the cold to signaling fear and even responding to the beauty of art, goosebumps are far more than just a fleeting sensation. They are a window into our past, a testament to the ingenious adaptations that have shaped us, and a subtle indicator of our deepest emotional responses. They connect us to our primal instincts and the complex tapestry of human experience. If you found this journey into the science of goosebumps fascinating, please give this video a like and share it with others who might be curious about the wonders of the human body.